What's the best fertilizer for your plants? If you have a fish tank, the best fertilizer is when you do your water change, because we do such a big water change, we fill up watering cans with the waste water, and then because we have a watering rainwater collection, but we top it up with the fish tank water. Just like that, and then we use that fish tank water for all our plants, and you can see what type of effect that has. It contains all the nitrogen most of our plants need, and they seem to grow well. Potatoes, carrots, radishes and beetroot, all growing at various stages within about 3 weeks of them. So that is about 2 weeks ago, no, 2 weeks ago, a week ago, new potatoes. So if you have a fish tank, make sure you don't just throw the wastewater into the gutter. It makes great plant fertilizer.